Hello, I'm Olivier Sapin, CEO of CATIA. This year, COExperience will take place in New Orleans. COExperience is a premier Dassault System user-focused conference. I can't wait. I'm joining for 3 reasons. I want to meet you and discuss with CATIA users and partners. I want to tell you where CATIA is heading and some of the latest news. And let's have fun, no-link style. In French we say Nouvelle-Orléans. So join me and Eric Swedberg, Dassault System Executive Vice President and Geo Managing Director for the Americas, and our brilliant community of experts at COExperience from April 10th to the 13th. Visit co.org to register today. See you there!